Rooster likes rolling in the sand, don't you? Are you so happy it's spring? This is just a parking spot next door. One of my extra ones, supposedly, but in the summer, all bets are off because these people have guests, so they're allowed to use it in the summer. Oh, here comes a car. You're a good boy. You know about cars, don't you? Smarty pants. Are you smarty pants? Look, it's not gonna hurt you. You're okay. All right, should we go back inside and check what's for supper tonight? Because Mama put all the soup in the freezer. I already had some. And I got all kinds of stuff in the freezer, huh? Spiced cake and scones and ice cream and vegetables and leftover stuff. More leftover stuff. I even labeled it this time because Mommy got smart and labeled her food. Well, there goes another car. All right. You want to stay in or go out? Only the cat knows. All right. Well, the lake is melting, but it's still not ice out yet until it all breaks up. And so one day I was looking out. It was kind of cloudy and windy and stuff, and there was ice everywhere on the lake. And then I turned around, I came back like 5 minutes later, and it was gone. It was just kind of pushing up against the shore. It was just, the lake was open, and that's the best feeling, because then you know spring is really here because the lake isn't iced over, right? Okay, kitty, we're going back inside, all right? You gonna stay here and look at the lake? I don't blame you. It's like 47 or something like that. Pretty warm. Well, it's slowly but surely it's getting here. Happy spring. Yesterday was 31. Ticked me out so bad. I'm like, I'm gonna bake a spice cake. Have a good one.